Is waiting, all systems are go. Are you sure? Control is not convinced, but the computer has the evidence. No need to abort. The countdown starts. Watching in a trance, the crew is certain, nothing left to chance. All is working, trying to relax. Up in the capsule, send me up a drink. Jokes, Major Tom. The count goes on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Every low is drifting, falling, floating waves, calling, calling. Stabilizers up, running perfect, starting to collect requested data. What will it affect when all is done? Thinks Major Tom. Back at ground control, there is a problem. Go to records full, not responding. Hello, Major Tom, are you receiving? Turn the fasters on. We're standing by. There's no reply. 4, 3, 2, 1.